So welcome back to Cosmos Airdrop. So I was able to make about $500 worth of airdrop, which is the Neptune Network, and I'm going to show you the series of processes that I was able to do this. First of all, before we continue, I would like you guys to go straight and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Click on that notification bell to stay alerted whenever I post a new video, and don't forget to like the video that you're watching right now. So to join our community and to get the link of this airdrop, simply click on the link on the disclaimer, which is our Telegram link, guys. I'm going to be posting this link of this network down in our Telegram, guys. So for you to join this airdrop, which is going to commence on January 2024, guys. So as you can see that the partner program actually says that the Neptune crypto financial network is willing to work with you to build a strong ecosystem, and you will also have the opportunity to become one of the hundreds of the super multi-millionaires created by this Neptune network. So I'm going to be showing you the series of processes that you can take for you to get registered in this site. So guys, all you need to do is to create an account in this site. So to create an account in this site is quite easy. Whenever you click on the link, don't use the Google Play because it's not yet available on the Google Play. Use the normal network, which is the Android version of it. Simply click download. This is going to download, then install. Guys, so when that is done, all you need to do is to go to your setting right here and copy your Google chat. Once you are done copying that Google chat, which is what you are going to use for you to claim more dollars into this account, guys, then insert the code which I'll be placing right here. So you are going to insert this X2N43F code. So you're going to insert, once you insert this code here, simply claim confirm. So if you confirm, you're going to get a notification of $500 into your wallet, guys. So to increase this wealth, all you need to do is keep on inviting friends, guys. So like I say, this is ending on January, and this airdrop is being launched on January. So don't miss out on any of this airdrop, guys. So this is going to be massive, this is going to be awesome, this is going to be wonderful. If you have any questions or any difficulties, simply drop a comment down the description. Cosmos Airdrop is going to attend to any questions of your choice, guys. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Like I said, click on the notification bell to stay alerted whenever I post any video. To withdraw from this airdrop is actually easy. You can transfer, you can receive, you can also exchange between the Tron and other Tron, which is the normal USDD. One NT is equal to 0.1 USDD, guys. So make sure that you claim more token into this site, guys. So withdrawal is after the minting date, which is on January, and after that we are going to withdraw directly to our Trust wallet from this site, guys.